Okay, we're at the meat and potatoes of things. And this stuff, because this is the axle, this is the passenger side. So to our left is the rear here, and that side is the front. So we're on the right hand side. And this is the cover that needs to come off. I've got all the bolts loosened. We've got a weird efflorescence build-up on this one. We got two long ones, and all the others are about the same. There's some weird efflorescence on there too. Some are just beautiful, and some are like, what's going on? Questionable, eh? So anyway, I'm not sure about taking this cover off yet. I don't know if I have to take this out, this pin, because that might slide straight through the case. So I probably should take it off. I think there's just a simple little bolt on there. I think I remember reading something about taking that off. So we'll take a chance, take it off, what the heck, eh? There's the one of the shafts. That would be the, okay, this is not recommended, but most of the weight is on this rubbery thing. That's not taking most of the weight, it's just taking the front end to keep it balanced, because I have the chain up here. And I put a Verona strap on. Verona should be happy about that. And this here would be the output to the front, the four-wheel drive front shaft. And this one's the output to the, sorry, this is the input from the engine, output to the front wheel drive, or four-wheel drive. But there was a couple of big metal bars that go along the side, and what tricked me was there's 3 bolts on the side and 2 underneath, and that's basically the engine mounts, I guess, and they extend across. I mean, heavy everything, but I guess it has to be. There's a lot of torque on this thing. I know the loads, and these 2 bars here, they're almost like counterweights, but I guess they're actually, you know, supports for the engine. So I had to take this one off. This one had just the 4 bolts. And the reason you have to take this off, I didn't take the back section off. This is, you know, half, and there's a bolt here and a bolt here, which was the same up here. One here, and then these 4. And then on the other side was one here, and these 3 plus 2 on the bottom. So anyway, I've loosened off all those bolts, and I'll take that shaft thing off the front. It really helps to have an engine lift. And we got her extended up high, and we've got a table underneath it, catch oil and drippings and stuff. I've been making a mess of the floor. Okay, on to the next phase. Maybe we'll find out this problem yet. Then, as the wife says, am I going to be able to put this back together?